So hello guys, umorder po tayo sa Temu ng Bluetooth speaker and CD-ROM. So I ordered these products 2 weeks ago and it just arrived today. So I'm actually waiting for this for a long time. So I'm expecting beautiful products here. So I ordered a Bluetooth speaker from Temu. Alright, Temu is the similar with AliExpress. So just one time. Well, it's too small. Okay, anyway, let's see. So here's the CD-ROM. Okay. Oh, I didn't expect it's too small. I thought it's big. Anyway, so here guys, Bluetooth speaker. Nabuksan na po siya ng custom. Let's see. Alright. Small microphone here. So cute. So this Bluetooth speaker, actually I'm looking for the Bluetooth speaker here in Korea. I like JBL, but it's too expensive. The JBL, I think it's almost $250. So I saw this in Temu, and the brand is K-Sound. I really like speaker, and I paid for this for 30,000 won. All right, it's only 30,000 won. So let's check if it works as I expected. So here we can see, and there are some sockets behind. So I want to buy this one because I'm thinking of singing karaoke. Sa Filipino, we like karaoke. So let's try if it really works well. I don't know. I hope it will work well. This is the CD player. I bought this one because I want to play some music on my old CDs. Since my computer doesn't have a CD player, so I bought this one so that I have some files or CD files that I used to play before the era of Facebook and social media. So I kept those CDs. But I have my computer, but there's no CD player. So I ordered this one through Temu also. So I hope it will work well. So alright, so I got this from Temu, everything. So I bought this one for only like $8, and this one is for, it's like $24. So thank you. So if you want to buy something in Temu, you can order it online, but you have to pass through customs. So since I have already my registration to customs, so if only personal use, they will let it pass. Alright. So I know it was it took some time because the customs detained it for a while. So today it arrives today. So I waited for almost over 2 weeks for this one. So there are so many unique items in Temu. It's quite cheaper, but of course it's not branded, but still we can use it. Alright, thank you.